Now tell me, what did they do to you?
T-R-N-N-E-R.
And that's not right? Why?
You're singing my ouchie.
Why is it not right? Yeah, you can see your ouchie. Why is this not right?
I don't know.
How's it supposed to be spelled?
T-O-N-N-O-R.
Yeah? Are they going to fix it for you? Yeah. What do you think about that ouchie? You want Mommy send this video to Daddy? Are you going to tell Daddy what you did to your head? What did you do? How'd you get your ouchie?
In the wall.
On the wall? What were you doing?
Running.
Running? Are we supposed to run in the house? No. Did you hurt my Connor? Are you supposed to hurt Mommy's Connor? No. You're supposed to be nice to my Connor, right? Yeah? You can listen to Mommy next time I tell you don't run in the house because you might fall down and go boop? Yeah. I love you.
I love you.
You gonna tell Daddy you're at the hospital? Tell him.
Daddy in the hospital.
Say the doctor's gonna check out my head, Daddy.
The hot dog going to check my head, Daddy.
The hot dog's gonna check your head. That's
Mm-mm.
the hot dog right there. Who's gonna check your head?
Don't know.
The doctor.
The doctor.
Yeah. Are you doing better though? Yeah. You feeling good? Is your ouchie still hurt? Yeah. You're being a brave boy though, right? Hey, you're not crying for Mommy, are you? No. 'Cause you're a big boy, right? Yeah. Alright, tell Daddy, say I'll talk to you later, Daddy.
I'll tell you later, Daddy.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Tell him bye-bye.
Bye-bye.